Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. Well, it has been over a year since I did my first product review on this, the 18-inch ProTuff Pool Silt Net. And after using it for over a year, I'm ready to do my follow-up video as to why I believe, still and more so, that this is the best and last pool silt net that you'll ever have to buy. So what do you say we get to it? Alrighty, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. It's going to come across the screen right here, poolschooler.com. It's full of more exclusive members-only content that will help you save even more money servicing your pool yourself. Alrighty, there are several reasons why I am convinced that this is the best and last pool net, or actually silt net, that you'll ever have to buy if you have to use a silt net. Now, what is the purpose of a silt net? A silt net is when you have more like finer dirt or sand that you need to capture, and a standard net with its regular mesh openings like this one, which is their 24-inch leaf rake, might be a little too open or too porous, so some of the smaller, finer dirt and debris gets through this. That's what the silt net comes in. It'll capture that. So let's say you have an above ground pool and you don't have a vacuum for that pool. You might need to use something like this to capture that silt, or for whatever reason you need to capture more silty debris. This is what this is for. So that's why you would buy a net like this. But again, it's the best one I've ever used. And I'll tell you, quite honestly, I don't really use these very often. It's very rare that I'll pull one of these out, but I did use it just to give it a chance and see how it worked. One of the biggest things I wondered was, will this thing move through the water as easily as my 24-inch ProTuff leaf rake? This one's 18-inch. And to tell you the truth, I was concerned that it wouldn't, because because this silt net is so fine. This moved through the water just as easily as my 24-inch leaf rake. So probably because it's 18 inches and not quite as much drag, but it was really surprising how well this moved through the pool. So I was quite surprised at that, all right? So let's talk about some of the other reasons I think this is the best silt net you'll ever buy. All right, the first reason that I like any of the ProTuff pool products is that they have an unlimited lifetime free replacement warranty for residential pool owners. That means if you use their product, if you buy one of their products, and any part of that product wears out or breaks for whatever reason, they will replace it absolutely free, no questions asked. Now, if you are a pool service professional like myself, it is a 50%, so they'll replace it at 50% the cost. But for residential pool owners, like most of you are who watch my video channel or my channel, it's a 100% unlimited lifetime free replacement warranty. Again, if they can't replace the part that broke on it or wore out on it, they will replace the entire unit, no questions asked, absolutely free. Cool thing about that also is if they do have to replace it, these units are modular. So like, this is a modular piece. This can come off. This rim can come off. The net can come off. See, it's got a zipper there and it unzips. So it's modular. So that means instead of them having to replace the entire unit and have to go through packaging material like this and add more landfill into our waste products, they can replace maybe just one piece and put it in a smaller package, and that saves on packaging. So that's a little perk I like about this product. The second reason I like this net, and I think it's the best one you'll ever own and the last one you'll ever have to buy if you're looking for a silt net, is the quality construction. These things are made so well. Again, the fabric is well. Again, I've had it for over a year, and I let this thing sit in the back of my truck for the entire year, 24/7, and in the blazing sun. And this mesh net is still in great shape. The plastic is still in great shape. It's a little scuffed right there because I drag it along the bottom of the pool and I'm picking up smaller debris. But everything else is held up so perfectly. So the quality of this construction is second to none. The third reason I like this product so much is probably one of the coolest things about it. This is a time saver for sure. It's these quick release clips. Most of the quick clips that you have for pools, your pool tools, is a pinchable clip. Doesn't have the two ends like this. You pinch it, you slide it in. Sometimes your skin gets caught in the pole, and it pinches it, or it rips your skin or cuts your skin. Or when you're taking it out, you have to pinch it and twist it and get it out, and sometimes it falls in the pool. This is so cool. All you have to do is take these two tabs, the bigger ones on the top, pinch it, those two inner ones here, depress, you slide it onto the pole, lock it in place, and it's easy to go on, and it's in. Your hands never come in contact with the end of the pole. You push it this way to release it, it comes right out. No twisting, no finagling to make it work. I can tell you this for a fact. Since I've had these products, their brush, their nets, and the pole, it has saved me so much extra time and effort using these things, especially because of these quick release clips. It has saved me so much time, and to me, my time is very valuable. So that's one of the biggest reasons I like this one as well. Hey folks, if you want to purchase a ProTuff 18-inch silt net for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below this video. You can click on that link and order one directly for yourself. So there you have it, folks. That is my follow-up video on the ProTuff 18-inch silt net. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me directly. My email address will come across the bottom of the screen. As always, it is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I want to thank you once again for watching. Remind you to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. And until we meet again, remember to have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.